Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Garrett.
I'm Alyssa.
There you are, and we're the Leffersons. And today we're unboxing some pins.
Yeah!
I didn't know these pins happened, but
they did.
But as soon as I saw them, I was super happy because we actually have a backpack that is from this same series.
We do.
And this is the Animators Collection of the princesses. So it's super adorable. They're all like these little babies.
They are so cute.
So we have the option to get Ariel, Pocahontas, Tiana, Cinderella. That's Merida, and then this is baby Moana.
We only know that because we've seen other people unbox these, and I will say they did come out with a volume 2 that includes Penzi, and they actually just came out this morning. Today's Monday when we're filming this, Monday the 30th, March 30th. If they're still available, go to Shop Disney. I already purchased volume 2, 6 boxes, so there's gonna be another unboxing coming soon, but I think we want every single one.
Yeah, and there's one pin per box, so we're gonna go back and forth, and ladies first.
All right.
To open it on up.
Wouldn't it be just crazy if our luck really happened and we got all of the same? All right, I just want them all, so let's see what we're gonna start with. This one feels very small, and it is Pocahontas. Look how cute they are.
Oh, it's like bubbles.
Yes, it's like bubbly. It looks like a bubble sticker, or like a foamy, like a puffy sticker almost.
And it's a double pin back too.
Yes, it is a double pin back. So that's what it looks like on the back. But on the front, you've got Pocahontas, and you have Miko there too. And it's just so, so cute. Ugh, I love these.
So they come in the blind bags, as most of the boxed pins do. Yeah. And so far, so good. We have, these are like hefty too.
Yeah, they are.
We have Ariel with a little flounder there. And yeah, I've never seen a pin with this kind of like texture before.
And it's very shiny too.
Yes, look how this is.
They're adorable.
A very unique pin set.
And I feel like it's super high quality too. Like props to Disney, I'm obsessed with these pens.
Look, this is fascinating.
Next one is, it's Tiana! Oh, she's the one that I wanted the most.
I figured.
So we have baby Tiana, who isn't she just the cutest thing? She's also wearing her little crown, and she's sitting there with a frog, so I'm assuming maybe Prince Naveen. I don't know. I mean, she is a baby here, so it probably isn't Prince Naveen, but it's just so cute. Yay, okay, we're 3 for 3 so far.
Oh, it's not?
Oh, it's not! I thought it was, I'm so sorry.
It wasn't baby Moana.
Baby Moana is the other one.
It's Belle.
I'm so
reading
sorry, guys.
a book. I'm okay with it because this is my girl. And this is why I love Belle. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. I can't. I literally can't even.
It is so, so
And each of them, I just noticed each of them have a little animal sidekick with them.
Yeah.
That's so cute. Ugh.
I'm sorry, I totally thought that it was Merida and Moana.
No.
I think this one is still Moana. I think the one standing up is Moana.
That's probably Moana.
Let's see.
She's got the hair.
All right, I've got another one. Praying for no doubles. Oh, our first double.
As soon as you say it.
We have another Pocahontas. We have another Pocahontas, but that's okay. I feel like we've done pretty good so far.
We've done real good.
Another Pocahontas.
And the last one is...
Yes.
Moana.
Yes, she's so cute.
Oh my gosh. And she's listening to a little shell there, and her hair, of course, is blowing in the breeze. Comment down below if like your favorite part of Moana is her hair. Her hair is like a character in itself.
It really is.
I love her hair.
And that whole scene where like she is in the beach and the ocean is like calling her and she gets the little shell, that's like the best scene of Moana.
Now I want to watch Moana.
We should watch Moana. Oh my gosh.
We did really good.
We did so good.
We're only missing Cinderella.
We're only missing Cinderella. So guys, here's all the ones we got. We got 2 Pocahontas. If you are looking for Pocahontas and have an extra Cinderella, hit me up. We can definitely trade. And also, if you're not sure how to pin trade online, you should go to my new video that is all about pin trading 101. We'll leave that linked up here and down below. I will probably post this on one of the pin trading groups to see if I can trade it. Oh my goodness.
These are so good.
So cute. Which one's your favorite?
Yes.
Yes. Yes to all. Let me look at the Moana one.
I think it had to be my girl Belle.
Oh my gosh, yeah, I totally didn't know Belle was in this one.
I've had so much time to read. She's my spirit animal right now. She's just sitting there with a book. I don't have a bird on my head, but if I could, I would.
And you love Provincial Belle so much.
Yes.
I think my favorite is Tiana.
Yes.
She is just so stinking cute. Baby Tiana is adorable. You guys will have to comment down below what your favorite one is if you guys have opened these up.
Yes.
So I just ordered the pins today, so they should be here within the next week or so. So we'll have another unboxing of Volume 2, and I'm so excited because Rapunzel was on one with Pascal, and that's
that's perfect.
That's perfect.
That's all we want.
Who's missing? Merida, Aurora. Who else is missing? Tinkerbell, I think, might have been one of them. Even though she's not a princess, but I feel like she might have been one of them. And this was a super duper short video, so thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. I hope that you all are staying healthy and safe during this time. I hope that this gave you a little extra Disney magic for today. Subscribe to our channel for more Disney content, more pin unboxings. We will also be unboxing the flower and garden pins soon too. Those are coming as well. So we've got lots of unboxings coming for you guys. I hope you all have a super duper magical day, and we'll see you real soon. Bye!
See you later. I'm gonna go read a book.